Mother Nature is a fine, fine gal. Ooh, Mother Nature, oh, she's alright. So turn off the water and turn down the lights. Oh, 'cause Mother Nature is coming over tonight. Daddy Earth, now he's a big man. Daddy Earth, ooh, he's got a plan. He's gonna clean up some penguins and some baby seals and put away those guys who caused that big oil spill. Mother Nature is a fine, fine gal. Ooh, Mother Nature, oh, she's alright. So turn off the water and turn down the lights, 'cause Mother Nature is coming over tonight. Now she blows hard. Granny Wind, damn, she blows far. So put up a turbine and gather some gusts, 'cause saving energy is always a must. Papa Sun, he's a nice fella. Papa Sun, all bright, big, and yellow. So put up some panels, ooh, and collect his lights, so we don't have to burn fuel all through the night. Mother Nature is a fine, fine gal. Mother Nature, ooh, she's alright. So turn off the water, oh, and turn on the lights, 'cause Mother Nature is coming over tonight. Sist Ocean, she's big and wide. Sist Ocean, ooh, she's mighty fine. So go down to her shores and pick up your trash, or we're gonna have to come and kick your... Ooh, Mother Nature, she's a fine gal. Mother Nature, oh, she's alright. So turn off the water and turn down the lights, 'cause Mother Nature is coming over tonight.